There are different ways a blogger can earn money with his smartphone, with a tablet, with computer, with anything provided that it is smartphone. Are you in Uganda? Are you in United Arab Emirates? You're in Asia? Depending on where you are. What are these different ways? There are very many, but in today's video, we are going to narrow them and go to the appropriate one. Is a blog a job? Is blogger fun? Is it a hobby? What is it? Before we define or we jump into different ways of how a blogger earns with social media, let me first tell you guys, this is Christine on Immaculate Show. I'm a lady that says I should not hand a smartphone and beg for bread. So now you as a blogger, today I'm going to tell you that this is a disclaimer. I'm not saying that the moment you start blogging or you call yourself a blogger or you start doing what you're supposed to do online, you're going to get money, you're going to build mansions. No. Disclaimer. I'm giving you tips on what a blogger is and how do bloggers do, or what do bloggers do and how do they earn. Just tips. I'm giving you like 2 to 10%. The remaining you're going to go research. If it works for you, it's okay. Now, there's a narrative of saying that bloggers are this, bloggers are the other. You know, when someone comes to social media, he calls himself a blogger. If you ask what is a blogger, what are you supposed to do? Most of them, they don't know. And some of them, they know in theory that they are bloggers. But when you come to see what they do, is not what bloggers are supposed to do. Guys, do you know we have been here for 5 years on social media as people who are bringing tips. We are just giving educational information. We're giving tips. We're not meant to come here and be consultants or dish you money. We give money when the Spirit allows or directs us. So let's dive in and see what exactly a blogger is. I jotted down and said a blogger is someone who creates and publishes content. What is content? This is now where I think we'll need to see it in another video to come, because most people don't know what content is. Content is something that gives value, something that entertains, something that educates, something that removes stress. That's content. But mostly it can be original and at the same time it cannot be original. But if you're a blogger that is following Immaculate Show, this is what I will tell you. Do something that is a bit original, such that you add value and earn money. So a blog can be an article, it can be a post, it can be a website, it can be a video. Those ones are all called blogs. So bloggers usually write. They can write about different topics. It depends on the niche you want. It depends on what you want. They write about lifestyle, they write about business, politics, tech, finance, all these personal experiences. These are the write-ups, are bloggers, are blogs. So blogging is not about a website. Blogging is not about speaking and you find the saliva is from here, speaking so much. No, this is what a blogger is. So what does a blogger do? Before we reach out to what exactly pays them, what does a blogger do? There are mainly 3 things I jotted down about bloggers. 1, bloggers create content. How do they create content? They write helpful content about articles on any sort, like the one I mentioned you up. It can be lifestyle, it can be health, it can be politics, anything. So this is what they always write about. Bloggers write about how to. How to is like the way I always tell you about making videos. Like now I'm making a how-to video. I'm making a how-to video. You as a blogger, you can go down and write, how does a blogger do? You write it in an article, in a text. So bloggers do reviews. They write about reviews. You as a content creator who is into videos and other things, there are some people who are calling vlogs, blogs, blah, blah, blah. No, all of you, you're social media entrepreneurs. But now, what is the aim? The aim is for money. The aim is to get money from what you write, from what you put out. So you write reviews about products, I always tell people, if you want to write about a review about this cup, this is a double glass cup that is very beautiful. It is not breakable. I'm giving features and benefits. Now in writing, if you're writing, it is not hot, it is heat resistant, it is beautiful. You can see how it looks. I bought it on Amazon, for example, and if you buy it, you'll never regret. It is made of which type of glass? This glass is free. It is free from any harmful products. This is what you can write on reviews. This is what I meant. Then and whenever you drink from this cup, I'm still reviewing. There's a way the tea moves in a very smooth way. Then bloggers also give tips and advice. So I'm clearing the air. Bloggers also talk about their personal stories in form of writing with blogs. Bloggers also talk about new trends and other things. For example, if I give you an example of a lifestyle blogger may write 10 ways to save money in Dubai. I'm in Dubai. So what are the 10 ways to save money in Dubai? You write about it. So the bloggers too, that was point number 1, they create content. 2, they make research. Bloggers research keywords, they research topics, they research trends, and even they go ahead and optimize with engines. Then point number 3, what they do, they promote their blog. How do they promote their blogs? They share posts on social media. They share on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and many more, without forgetting TikTok, to get traffic. Then they manage their platforms, their websites. They design pages, they reply comments, they update old posts and improve speed for user experience. When someone hears that they update old posts, what does that? That is the work of a blogger. So now the main gist, I brought it at the end because I want you to know what a blogger app is. How do they earn? I was on a live before making this video, and this motivated me to bring this video. Someone was like, their vision of as blog association is to kukuba oluseke, to look for donations. I don't think that is not the main objective of you as a blogger, because blogging is a passion. Blogging you can turn it into a profession. Blogging you can turn it into a passive income. So you cannot tell me that you're going to beg money then it becomes passive income. You shift from being a blogger to something else. So bloggers earn in different ways. That one of begging, of getting donation is the least, but the major one they earn from what they post. If you want to earn from what you post, it means ads will be displayed on your videos, on your posts, on your text, on your articles. Yes, you always see I write posts and put on Facebook, for example, not on website alone, on Facebook, and they put money and adverts on those posts. Then they also earn with visitors viewing and clicking. When you click, like for example on YouTube, you'll find your CPM is high and CPC is high. The second way they earn is through affiliate marketing. If you're a blogger, you have to define where you want to blog. You cannot blog the whole world. Now this is where I get confused with some people who say I'm a blogger. You find you're blogging in lifestyle, you're blogging in politics, tomorrow you're blogging in social life, tomorrow you're into money, you're into trends. No, it means you're still a beginner. You're trying to look for being a blogger. So you're supposed to promote the products, by the way, that is affiliate marketing. Products of what you like, what you normally talk about. If it is product review, so you find you get commissions. So if you promote a product from Amazon, you'll get commission. Then the third way of earning money is sponsored posts. Brands pay bloggers, you know that. You've seen stickers, people. They pay bloggers, then bloggers will talk about their posts. Not a matter of putting posts only stickers, but even talking about them. Even bloggers can go ahead and create digital products. What are digital products? What are digital products? We have digital products like ebook. As a blogger, as you write, you're in position to make your ebook, you're in position to make a template, you're in position to make memberships, even you can even develop courses. So you'll be earning from them. And this one is pure passive, because you are going to make a book and put on Amazon an ebook, and it will be completely, that is, you will be earning while you sleep. Then the fifth way of earning is offering services. You've seen our people locally, they offer services, but they don't know. If you're a blogger, you can go ahead and offer free writing services. I call it freelance writing. You can also go ahead and do consultation. If people want to know what is in your field and what is in your field, you make it a real deal. Also, you can earn money from coaching. Then, if I can give you a simple example, if a blogger writes a book on personal finance, he gets 50,000 visitors per month. They can earn from ads, affiliate links, and even sponsored content. So, you guys, let me know if you want to know how to do blogging step by step. Write it in the comment section, then I'll come up with a video. Hopefully you know what a blogger is now, and even know you can go ahead and choose where do you want to do blogging from.